are you?
Good, how are you?
Thank you. Okay, come here please, here. And we will take photos. You want it less projects, right?
Yes.
Now projection is bigger. I will shave this area. And do you want it a little bit up?
Little bit, yes.
Okay. Maybe I may need cartilage from here, and to do this I will make an incision here, and I will take a little piece of cartilage from here to support these tissues. But first I will check. If I don't need it, I won't touch this part. For the inside, do you have any difficulty with breathing? No, it seems okay already. I will check, and if anything wrong, I will also fix that area. You already had a scar. I will use the same scar. Okay, because we also have borders at there.
Yeah.
I will save your, I have to protect your vocal cords.
Yeah.
And I will shave it up to maximum. Yeah. Actually, if you didn't have any surgery here, maybe we could use this cartilage at your nose. But since it's already shaved, we won't have so much there.
Okay.
Okay, I will see you at operation room. This is a piece of most probably bone. There is a bone spicle there. I will cut it and I will rasp it. Maybe I need to put some cartilage here to prevent this irregularity. You won't feel it, but there will be extra swelling here, it means. But we will see. Okay, I will check in the operation, and if needed, maybe I need to cut from here to make these ones smaller. Okay, see you at the operation room.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hello, today I performed Sofia's revision rhinoplasty and revision Adam's apple shaving. Since they were revision surgeries, it was very challenging for me, but we achieved very nice results. Now we will wait for her healing period and we will see her results. See you, take care. Hello, welcome, how are you?
Thank you.
And since you don't have splints inside your nose, it will be more comfortable.
Yes. You like it?
And it will go down a little bit.
Oh my god, I'm so glad the bump is gone.
You had actually a ponytail deformity. You had excess in that area. It means your bone structure was good and I didn't touch your nose actually, your bones. I just played with your cartilage. I took out some part of it and I just reformed your tip. And this part looks more natural and more feminine now. Actually, you had one surgery in here. It was really a difficult surgery for me. Revision surgeries in that part is more difficult. You have a nerve here that crossing your cartilage. Just let me take a picture and I will show you. You can just check it. And it's very swollen, but it looks so smooth. It looks so smooth. Actually, I liked your nose very much. It was really very hard surgery for me.
Yeah.
Both of them were revision surgeries. It was difficult, but we had really very nice results. I will just clean that part. Just put your head back. You have an absorbable stitch in here. You need to use that silicone for 1 month, day and night. You even don't have any scar in your neck. I will put new tapes and they will stay for 1 week more, and then after that,
And then put the silicone.
yes,
And
for 1 month you will use it for day and night. After 2 months more you will use it on 8 nights.
Okay.
So Sofia,
Yes.
you've been now for 1 week in Istanbul.
Yeah.
What was your total experience?
Oh my god, I'm obsessed with Istanbul. I've never been to Turkey before, and I thought it was going to be like, oh, like a little bit weird, but I'm obsessed with Istanbul. Like, I want to come here on holiday, and especially with surgery, like exploring Istanbul with my friends. Like, it's just been taking my mind off of the actual pain and discomfort that I had. So yeah, it's been great.
Okay, because a lot of people from Finland are afraid of Turkey.
Yeah.
Also because they are thinking that we are a Muslim country.
Yeah.
But how did you experience it?
Well, as a trans woman, which could be considered like problematic or like a bit scared to be here, like I've not had any problems. Like, obviously people stare at me because I'm tall and beautiful.
Yes, exactly.
And like I had my nose bandages on and everything, but like it's just been like, it's very hygienic, very modern, very like westernized city. Which
it's
is
a big city also, a
yeah,
metropole.
yeah. Which like it makes I'm not saying that Western culture is like better, but it just makes me more comfortable coming from a Western country like Finland. So it makes me like you have the same rules and same regulations here and we have at home.
Okay.
So it makes me feel like more comfortable and like I'm being taken care of.
That's very good. And how did you experience the surgery? For example, the first night in the hospital, was it okay or was it a hell?
No, it was amazing. Like, well, compared to my first surgery, which was like the whole facial feminization surgery in Belgium, like that was hell. But that was just because I had so much done. This time I had 2 procedures. I slept really well. I was tidying up my hospital room because I was a bit bored. Like I was walking around, I was fine. Like I was expecting so much more pain and everything, but I took a painkiller and then I was fine.
Okay. And of course, you stay 1 night in the hospital and then you got discharged.
Yeah.
Was it okay to do in the hotel? Was it every day you got a checkup from one of our colleagues?
Yeah. So every day we had a checkup with a nurse.
Yes.
Yeah. And I feel like knowing that someone is checking up on you, like you messaging me or like someone else messaging me on WhatsApp, it makes me feel like, okay, like if I have something wrong, if I'm concerned about something, I can ask. And I know that someone is coming to see me, see my nose, see whatever I've had done, and I feel like it just makes it more comfortable.
Yeah. And now we had your last checkup.
Yeah.
How did you experience it?
Relieved. I'm so relieved because obviously I saw the pictures from the operation table and I was a bit shocked, but obviously like it's going to be very swollen, bloody mess everywhere.
Exactly.
And now that obviously it's still very swollen and like a bit sore, but I feel like seeing a picture now and my mirror, like I'm already beautiful like I was before, but I feel like this is just cherry on top.
Yes, definitely. So if you have any problems, we are only 1 button away.
Yeah.
So you can WhatsApp us every time, or if you have a concern, don't think that we are living in Istanbul, so we are not taking care about you.
Yeah.
You can always message us if you have any concern.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. It's gonna take 1 year for healing.
Yeah. I'll be patient.
Exactly, and you have to put your nose thermal for 1 month.
Yeah.
But it will help you breathe better.
Breathe and less swelling as well.
Exactly.
And everything.
Yeah.
And I'll clean this with just like water.
With the cream.
With the cream.
Yeah.
No, but this.
You can also wash it and clean it, and then after that, also clean inside your nose with the cream that we gave and the spray.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Happy days.
And
Thank
don't
you.
forget us. Send us pictures.
I will never forget you because you changed my life.
Okay, now I wish you a good flight back.
Thank you.
And I'll see you maybe in the future.
Maybe. We'll see.
Okay.
Bye.
Sofia had a rhinoplasty and edema-sepal shaving surgery in the past. She came for these revision surgeries. They were really very challenging, but I love these challenging surgeries. Now she has a very natural, feminine looking nose and very smooth neck. If you are interested in this type of surgeries, we are always will be welcoming you. See you soon. Bye.